Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the carrier supports visual voicemail and that you know your voicemail password. This removes activation roadblocks. Once done, install a reputable visual voicemail app or open Android's built-in visual voicemail. Grant required permissions for calls, microphone, contacts, and notifications so the app can fetch messages and identify callers. Now configure your network settings as prompted. Make sure data, or Wi-Fi calling, is on so the voicemail can download transcripts and audio automatically. You'll now configure message behavior and personalization. Open voicemail settings to set your greeting, choose transcription language, and select playback speed so you can scan messages quickly. Link your contacts to enable caller name display instead of numbers. Enable push notifications to get instant alerts. Next, choose storage preferences. Auto-delete older messages, save selected voicemails locally, or enable cloud backup for long-term access. These adjustments make the app behave more like iPhone's voicemail interface and keep your inbox tight. You're almost done. Test the setup by leaving yourself a voicemail and checking playback, plus transcript accuracy. If messages don't appear, restart the phone, toggle app permissions and mobile data, and verify the carrier voicemail number in settings. Sometimes re-entering it forces activation. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking notifications. If you still see no visual voicemail or transcripts, contact carrier support to confirm provisioning. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves activation and network provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.